Good morning, ninth class students. Today's topic is the elements of geometry. In this lesson, you will look into the history to understand the roots of geometry and the different schools of thought that have developed the geometry and its comparison with modern geometry. The word geometry is derived from the Greek geo means earth and metri means measure. In the ancient Indus Valley and ancient Babylonia, obtuse angled triangle can be traced. Evidence of circle drawing instruments found in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in 2500 BC. The Sulba Sutras in Vedic Sanskrit lists the rules and geometric principles involved in the construction of fire altars. The amazing idea behind the construction of fire altars is that they occupy same area although differ in their shapes. In 8th century BC, Bauddhayan Sulabha Sutras contains examples of simple Pythagorean triplets such as 3 4 5, 5 12 13, 8 15 17, so and so on. Ancient Greek mathematicians considered geometry as the crown jewel of the sciences. The father of plane geometry is Euclid of Alexandria in Egypt. He wrote 13 books called the Elements. Euclid created the first system of thought based on fundamental definitions, axioms, propositions, and the rules of inference or logic. A solid has shape, size, position, and can be moved from one place to another. Its boundaries are called surfaces. The surfaces separate one part of the solid from another and are said to have no thickness. The boundaries of the surfaces are curves or straight lines. These lines end in points. Consider the steps from solid to point. Solids are three-dimensional figures. Surfaces, two-dimensional figures. Lines, one-dimensional figure. Point has no dimension. These are the fundamental terms of geometry. Based on the above observation, Euclid defined point, line, plane. With the use of these terms, other terms, line segment, angle, triangle, etc. are defined. In book 1 of his Elements, Euclid listed 23 definitions. Some of the definitions are given here. Euclid's definitions. A point is that which has no part. A line is breadthless length. The ends of a line are points. A straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. A surface is that which has length and breadth only. The edges of surfaces are lines. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. In defining terms like point, line, and plane, Euclid used words or phrases like part, breadth, evenly, which need further explanation. The further explanation again leads further explanation. So, for the sake of clarity, mathematicians agreed as point, line and plane are undefined terms. So, in our plane geometry, point, line, plane are undefined terms. Now it's time for homework. Pause the video and finish the homework. In our next session, we will learn what are axioms and postulates. If you have any doubts, you can call me without hesitation. Thank you for listening.